But if you can handle your process correctly, remember, every process, there's a decision. Everything in the kingdom is about a decision. That's why it says, I mean, choose life. Okay, when you speak, the choosing part is the choosing to do the right thing, to be pro-life. The problem with us in Christianity today is that we are so reactive with everything. Stuff first ruins our lives before we want to jump in and understand how can we fix this thing. We shouldn't be reactive, we must be proactive. But to be proactive, you have to understand your rights. You have to already be prepared in the kingdom. When we are going through stuff, are you letting stuff happen to you, or are you doing things to that? Meaning, when we go through these processes and you tests and trials, then you must allow God and understand why He's doing it. Why David had to fight the bear, fight the lion, fight Goliath, go through everything, because it was equipping him for the next phase in his life, to step into his kingship.